Welcome to Taiwan community. The following is a tutorial on how to buy USDT on Bitfinex app. Step 1. Click P2P trading. Step 2. Read the terms of service carefully and click continue. Step 3. Click continue. Step 4. Click buy. Select USDT and click buy. Step 5. First, enter the quantity of USD. Second, enter the quantity of USDT. Then select your payment method. Step 6. Click buy and you successfully done your operation. This is Taiwan blockchain community. Welcome to subscribe and join us.